Hi, welcome to TeluguOne Food. I am Suraj. Today I am going to show how to make choco chip cookies. For making choco chip cookies, we need butter, caster sugar, brown sugar, white choco chip, dark choco chip, 1 egg, flour, baking powder and baking soda. First we put butter in the mixing bowl. After that brown sugar, caster sugar and start mixing. After mixing, add slowly egg. Now creaming is done. We add dry ingredient, flour, white choco chip, dark choco chip. Mix again for making dough. Now cookies dough is ready. I am going to remove from the machine. Now cookies dough is ready. I am going to roll. We need to bake 170 degrees centigrade for 15 to 20 minutes. Before baking, we need to press little bit. Now we will place it in oven. Now I am going to keep the cookies in the oven for baking. Now our choco chip cookies is ready to eat.